Hello children, so we will do some important MCQ from chapter Light. Let us see the first question. Where should an object be placed in front of convex lens to get a real image of the size of object? Of the size of object. That means image is of the size of object. So size of object is equal to size of image, in which case, if you remember, this is the information which is given here. Okay, so we know that it is twice the focal length at 2f. And this is the ray diagram for this object at 2f. Image is real and inverted and equal to the size of object. Okay, so this is 2f and this is 2f. Coming to the next question. So let us see the next question. An object is placed 60 centimeter. So object distance is minus 60 in front of a concave mirror. So the real image formed by the mirror is at this. So this is distance of the image. Now it will be taken positive or negative, so that you have to understand. See, okay, we don't have to understand actually. They are simply asking okay, anyways, we should know at least. Okay. So real image would be formed here in front of the mirror. In lenses, real image is formed this side, real and inverted. Okay, and mirrors, real image is formed this side, so it will be negative. Now what is object's magnification? So magnification formula for mirror is minus V by U. So we'll substitute minus 30 minus 60 minus cancel. So it is minus half. Okay, so you can see there were two options, plus half or minus half. So it is minus half. So that is why this was important to know that the real image is formed here and V has to be taken with sign. Get to the next question. So let us see this. The image of an object placed in front of a convex mirror. So we know there are only two diagrams of convex mirror. Which are those two? One is object at infinity, diverged out, ray parallel, diverged out. So image at focus, this is first ray diagram. And what is second ray diagram for convex mirror? I just mean to say that your basic should be strong to answer these. So in second ray diagram, you can keep object anywhere. First ray parallel, it is diverged out. So we'll produce them back here. This is focus. Second ray, we can take any like this. Okay, so image is here. So the image of an object placed in front of a convex mirror is formed at the object itself? No. Twice the distance of object in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror, though, not at all. In front of the mirror again, so not at all. Behind the mirror, yes. So answer is behind the mirror. Here also image is formed behind the mirror, and here also. There are only two cases for convex mirror. Let us see the next question. Light waves require air, require electric field, require a magnetic field. So no, light does not require any medium, so it can perfectly travel through vacuum. Let us see the next question. An object is placed 40 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. So mirror is convex. Object is placed at 40, so U is equal to minus 40. Image is 15 centimeter. away behind the mirror. So you can see behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror is this axis is positive. In the direction of incident ray is positive. So it's positive. What is the focal length? So we can use mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Let us substitute 1 by minus 40 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by F. So we'll take LCM. Is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by F is minus 15 and this 25. So it is 25 by 40 into 15. So 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 8s are. So it's 1 by F is equal to 1 by 24. Okay, so F is equal to focal length of convex word is always positive. So 24 centimeters. See, they are always giving 24 but with negative sign also to confuse you. Okay, so we'll have to memorize. We'll have to remember focal length of convex is always positive. And why it is positive? Because focus lies behind the mirror. This is focus. This is focus. So getting to the next question. So let us understand this question. Find the angle of incidence and angle of reflection from the diagram. So this is 35. So remaining is 90 minus 35. Okay, 90 minus 35 is 55. So this is the angle between incident ray and normal. So this is my angle of incidence, which is 55. And angle of reflection will also be equal to this. So angle of reflection is also 55. So I am not showing you the options. Let us see this. Velocity of light in air is this. So velocity in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and velocity in medium is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Velocity in a medium is this. What is the refractive index of medium? So refractive index of medium is its velocity in air, speed of light in air upon velocity of light in medium, speed of light in medium. 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 cancel, 1.5 doubles are 3. So refractive index of the medium is 2. This option. So getting to next. What is the focal length of a plane mirror? So we'll memorize it. We will keep in mind focal length of plane mirror is infinite because distance of object is equal to distance of image always. Okay, so distance of object is minus u. Distance of object is minus u. Distance of image is plus v because it is behind the mirror, no? So it is plus v. Now we'll use mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is u. Okay, so minus plus object's distance is this is 1 by f. So they both are equal. Distance of object is minus u. Distance of image is also u. So both are u. So 1 by u minus 1 by u is 1 by f. So 0 is equal to 1 by f. So f will be 1 by 0. Reciprocate. 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay, I just mean to say distance of object is minus x and distance of image is plus x for a plane mirror. Object distance is always equal to image distance. Okay, so you substitute, you will get this type of situation, which means focal length of plane mirror is infinite. Let us see this question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So distance of the object is minus 10 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. So mirror is plane. The distance of the image would be same. And behind the mirror, so it will be plus 10. Okay, plane mirror forms the object image at the same distance as the distance of the object. So getting to next. So let us see the radius of curvature is given as 12. So children, because it is concave, so write it with negative sign. So focal length of will be half of radius of curvature. So minus 12 by 2. So it is minus 6. So just see 6 also they will give. Okay? Just see the sign as well. Let us see the next question. A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have a focal length of this. So focal length is negative, no? So what can they be? They will be both concave. They will be both concave. Concave lens and concave mirror both have negative focal length. You can show them with a diagram also. First ray parallel, diverged, parallel, diverged. So focus is lying in front of the lens, so it is negative. Similarly for concave mirror, parallel ray converged, parallel ray converged. So again focus is lying in front of the mirror. Okay, focal length lies in front of the lens, focal length lies in front of the mirror for concave. So its focal length will be negative. So let us see it. Which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading small letters? Small letters. Okay. So we would use a lens which produces big image. Big image, we need big image. Okay, and erect. Yani ki virtual and erect. So what would you use? See, concave has got only two cases. Let us draw both. Keep the object anywhere. First ray parallel, diverged. So it is like this. Second ray through optical center. Image is formed here. So it is forming always small. So what will we use? We will use convex. Okay. So we will use concave cancelled, concave cancelled. There are two options of convex. So when we keep the object between focus and optical center, first ray parallel goes through focus, second ray through optical center. So it is forming big image. Okay. So this is the case. So we will use convex, but which convex? Whose focal length is shorter? Shorter the focal length, bigger is the image. So this is concave, this one. Here the focal length is 5, here the focal length is 50. So we will use shorter focal length. Convex lens acts as magnifying glass. Magnifying glass for case number the 6th. When object is kept between optical center and focus, it is forming virtual erect and big image. Okay, and magnifying power will be more when focal length is less. convex lens of short focal length should be preferred, shorter focal length. Let us understand this question. One light wave is incident upon a plate. So this is a glass plate. Whose refractive index is mu. They have written mu. Incident angle is I. So this is incident ray. This is normal ray. This is angle of incidence. Okay. Okay. So here we will get one reflected ray. A part of light will be reflected. A part of the light will be refracted. Okay. The angle between refractive, this is the refractive ray, and this is reflected light. Reflective waves are perpendicular. This is 90. This is 90. Now what is your angle of refraction? This is your angle of refraction. Refraction. So we'll have to derive something. So all of you look here, this is I and this will be I. This is angle of reflection. Let us look at it very properly. This is the glass plate. This is incident ray. This is normal. Okay. A part of the light is reflected and a part is refracted. It is bending and going further. So there are some angles which need to be labeled. This is angle of incidence. This is also angle of incidence because it is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This is reflection angle. Okay, and this is refraction. Okay, so what is this remaining angle? This angle, it is 90 minus r. And now because this is complete 90 and this part is r, so remaining is 90 minus r. Number 1. And this, the other angle, this angle is angle number 2, and this will be equal to 90 minus I. This is I. So this is 90. If this much is I, the remaining is 90 minus I. Now sum of angle 1 and 2 is 90. They have given. So let us write down. Angle 1 is 90 minus r. Angle 2 is 90 minus I is equal to 90. Okay? So r will go that side, I will go this side. So 90 plus 90, this 90 will come this side, is equal to I plus r. So I plus r is coming as 90. Okay, so r is coming as 90 minus I. Now we will use Snell's law. Snell's law says sine of I by sine of r is equal to refractive index. Okay, so sine I is sine I and sine of r is this 90 minus r is equal to mu. So upper term is sine I, sine 90 minus r is cos r. Sorry, it's I. See, I have written by mistake r. This is I. R की value है 90 minus I. We are substituting that. It is cos I. Now sin I by cos I is tan I. So I is equal to tangent inverse tan inverse mu. Tan will go that side. So your answer is this one. If you understand, it's okay. Otherwise, the level is beyond your class. Let us see this question. An object is situated at a distance of f by 2. So distance of the object is f by 2. So with negative sign. Convex lens है तो focal length is f. So focal length is plus f. ठीक है, for convex it is positive. We'll have to find out the distance of the image. So it is a lens question. So we'll use lens formula. Lens formula is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Let us substitute the values. 1 by v minus 1 by minus f by 2 is equal to 1 by f. Now we will take this 2 up. So it is 1 by v minus minus is plus 2 by f is equal to 1 by f. 2 will go up. Okay, now 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 2 by f. 2 by f I have taken that side. So this will be equal to 1 by v is equal to 1 by f common. It is 1 minus 2. देखो 1 by v as it is, 1 by f common, 1 by f, 1 by f, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So minus 1 and f down. So it is minus 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. Reciprocate. So v is equal to minus f. Here is the image formed. So check it out. So yes, here is the image form. Let us get to the next question. So let us see the next question. So you can see here an object is placed 20 centimeter. So it is object's distance. Concave mirror है तो focal length will be negative. Mirror है, mirror formula use करेंगे. Where is the image formed? So 1 by v plus 1 by u is 1 by f. So 1 by v minus this negative sign, ठीक है, and 1 by 20 is equal to minus 1 by 20. This will go that side. Okay, you can see that focal length I have written wrong. 10. So this is 10. ठीक है. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. Take LCM or take common. I am taking 1 by 10 common. So it is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 में से 2 गया is half. So it is minus half. You can take LCM if you wish. So it is coming as minus 1 by 20. So v is coming as minus 20. So object was also at minus 20. Image is also at minus 20. है ना? So it is at like at C, you can say at center of curvature. So if in front of mirror object is at C, image will also be C. So it is in front of the mirror. Okay, at the center of curvature of the mirror. Object distance is also 20. Image distance is also coming 20. You can do it by taking LCM if your mathematics is not okay. So it's like 10 into 20, it's minus 20 plus 10. So it is minus 10 by 20 into 10, 10, 10 cancel. So it is again coming as minus 1 by 20, so 20. So prepare this much. Thank you.